Welcome to Tech World. Today we have some lucky lumberjacks. Their experiences are an important reminder of the need to be careful at work. Good luck. Let's get started. Oh, just when you think everything is fine, say no so fast. Nature really knows how to keep things too fast and too dangerous. The house was destroyed. A small mistake or lack of proper protection can turn a job into a dangerous situation. Always put safety first, and all the big mistakes start from that tree. The process of moving and cutting down large trees around your home is extremely difficult and requires high precision in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the trunk, and the natural tilt, and most importantly, the safety distance of everyone. It's scary. Everything is perfect. But I don't understand why he was standing in front of danger. Luckily, no accident happened. Oh my God, his wrong decision of cutting the tree in the wrong direction destroyed a house. Luckily, no one was there. Now it will cost more money to fix it. It is an amazing feat to cut down a giant tree that has lived for many years. It is not a small task. Can you guess how long it took him to cut down this huge tree? Leave a comment below and watch the video with us. Cutting down trees in residential areas near houses requires experience with significant risks. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. The first step in cutting down a tree is to carefully assess the height of the tree and use a rope to avoid it falling into the house, leaving unfortunate consequences. Oh my God, this is the result of inexperience or overconfidence of workers can lead to unfortunate accidents. This is a reminder to always stay safe. How many years do you think it took to grow to that size? Do you think it was luck or amazing engineering? This is the nature of forestry. A combination of skill, luck, and safety is the only thing that really matters. A warrior in the green forest is fighting a giant. Cutting down a giant tree is not as easy as you think. It requires the logger to have knowledge. This skill must be honed and performed with high precision because even a small mistake can lead to unforeseen consequences. It's awesome. The way they approach tree felling is a masterclass in safety and efficiency. Talking about a challenge, cutting down multiple trees at once is not an easy challenge. The perfect moment of watching that tree land in exactly that place is said to speak of skill and precision. This is the image of efficient logging. Smoothly exploited with a small chainsaw, he has brought down the tree. Alluring beauty combined with powerful work gives a unique charm, is definitely one of the biggest dangers out there. It serves as a reminder to not only pay attention to the branches and treetops, but also other potential dangers. The extraordinary warrior with truly amazing superior skills. He cut down a large long-lived tree in front of his house and hit it in the right direction without it falling on the house. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder.
felling could be so efficient and beautiful. This two-in-one method takes tree felling to the next level. That guy is a little tool with big power. Every successful tree felling job starts with a solid plan, and he does his job well.
Cutting a pine tree with a chainsaw is both an art and a science. I can't believe they cut down such a huge tree with just a tiny saw. He tried every way to cut the tree into pieces, using a hammer to make it release, then using a saw to cut the remaining parts. Finally, he brought it down. The sight alone gives me the shivers, and swinging that saw at that height is terrifying to think about. There is a real art to felling trees that is more than just brute force. It is about understanding the wood grain, the wind, and the terrain. The logger's cuts are like the strokes of an artist creating his masterpiece. It is truly satisfying to witness the felling of a large tree. They are so large that it's difficult to know exactly where to start. To ensure safety, it requires skill and knowledge to do it properly. Killing two birds with one stone looks easy, but I know it's a very difficult job. This guy knows what he's doing, knows how to wedge in the right place, swings the hammer hard a few times, and that giant is going down exactly where he aimed, expert level.
Death. Saving the world, one plastic jug and cardboard box at a time, old son. Y'all have a good Monday.
Every lumberjack knows this beast all too well. It is the ultimate test of skill and courage, and it is a testament to his expertise that he can handle a job like this safely.
Several trees fell at once. That guy is a tree-felling wizard. It's impossible to improvise. Cutting down in that direction is called a job. A burnt cedar tree can be a monster to deal with, especially when leaning towards the ladder with clever thinking and precise straight cuts. The lumberjack saw gradually takes down this monster. I never realized how fragile the balance of nature is. One tree falls, and the whole forest feels the impact. The way he sawed the big tree, and then used a hammer to hit it out onto the road, shows that he's a very strong person who can saw the big tree into small pieces. When it falls down, it's like witnessing a part of the history of the ancient forest collapse. Majestically, like there's a bit of beautiful regret. Oh my God, in just a few cuts and he brought down the tree. Please leave your comments below. If our video amazed you, your support will fuel our creative fire. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for watching.